and welcome to Makeup and Martinis.
We're your hosts.
I'm celebrity makeup artist Brandy Gomez-Duplessis.
And I'm Rainbow Johnny. And now we're going to show you to make a Makeup and Martinis signature cocktail.
So what we're going to do is we're going to put in 4 shots of
Titos Vodka.
Titos Vodka.
So let's do that now. Shots of peach schnapps.
And you can just add any type of juice that you prefer. And Johnny loves blackberry and cranberry.
Yes, it's one of my favorites. So we're going to shake it up.
And I'll shake with them. And we're going to have us a much needed martini.
And
Oh
we
my God, the
garnish
color.
with a pear.
Look at this color, guys. It's perfect. It goes really well with my lips.
Cheers.
So